Hello children. Children, in the previous video we have done the question answers of lesson number 1, Mr. Toad Goes for a Ride. Now we are going to do question number H of this grammar fun exercise of that same lesson. So as you all know that this grammar fun exercise is a part of English 1 syllabus. So this question H you will write in English 1 copies. You will write question number H in English 1 copies. So take out your English 1 copies. As I have written here English 1. There is no need for you to write English 1 over here. But I have written just to tell you that this is a part of English 1 syllabus and you have to write in English 1 copies. So take out your English 1 copies. Write the date on the left side of the margin. Then write lesson 1 on the first line. Then name of the lesson. Mr. Toad Goes for a Ride on the second line. Then on the third line write grammar fun. Then we will start with question number H. Rearrange these group of words to form sentences. Rearrange these group of words to form sentences. Now here in your books children, this question is given. But here in this question, all the sentences are given in jumbled form. What you have to do is, you have to unjumble them or you have to make the sentences in the correct form using capital letters, full stops, question mark and exclamation mark wherever they are required. So let's start with number 1. Led to the toad friend's stable yard his. This doesn't make any sense. So the answer is, question you can see from the book and answers I have written in the copies. So number 1 is, Toad led his friends to the stable yard. Toad led his friends to the stable yard. Here Toad, T will be capital because it is the beginning of the sentence. And at the end of the sentence, you will put a full stop because it is a simple sentence. Now, number 2 is, with was rat annoyed Toad. The answer is, rat was annoyed with Toad. Full stop. This is again a simple sentence. So you will put a full stop here. Rat was annoyed with Toad. Here rat R will be capital and Toad T will be capital. Next, number 3. Will you to my house come when? The answer is, when will you come to my house? This is a question which is being asked. So, at the end of this sentence, you will put a question mark. In the beginning, when, W will be capital. When will you come to my house? Question mark. Then, let's move on to number 4. Hit the Virat Kohli for a 6 ball. The answer is, Virat Kohli hit the ball for a 6. Virat Kohli is the name of a person. So, here both the first letters will be capital. And at the end of the sentence, there will be a full stop because it is a simple sentence. Virat Kohli hit the ball for a 6. Full stop. Now next number 5 is, movie 2 would like you watch a. The answer is, would you like to watch a movie? This is a question which is being asked. So here question mark will come at the end of this sentence. In the beginning there will be a capital letter W because it is the beginning of the sentence. So the sentence would be like this. Would you like to watch a movie? Question mark. Now the last one is number 6. Meal a what delicious? The answer is, what a delicious meal? Not question mark, exclamation mark. What a delicious meal. So here some excitement is being shown. So here exclamation mark will come. So in the first letter of what will be, W will be capital as it is the beginning of the sentence. So The sentence says, what a delicious meal. Exclamation mark. Now children, we have finished with the back exercises of this lesson from the reader book. Now take out your workbooks. So children, this is your English workbook. Take out your workbook. Take out page number 3 of your workbooks. On page number 3, we are going to start with this same lesson, that is Mr. Toad Goes for a Ride. Let's start with the exercises of this lesson from the workbook. Number A is circle the antonyms of the words in capitals. Antonyms means opposites. Antonyms means opposites. The words which are given on the left side in capital letters, we have to find out the opposite of that word from the 3 options which are given in front of that word. And we have to circle the correct answer. Number 1 is friends. Which is the opposite of friends? Enemies. So draw a circle around enemies. Number 2 is proud. The opposite of proud is humble. So draw a circle around humble. Number 3 is careful. The opposite of careful is careless. So draw a circle around careless. Number 4 is joyful. The opposite of joyful is sad. Number 5 is rare. The opposite of rare is common. So I will tell you the answers once again. Number 1 is enemies. Number 2 is humble. Number 3 is careless. Number 4 is sad. And number 5 is common. Now let's move on to question number B. Write the names of these things. Use the clues. Here some clues are given and we have to write the names of those things by reading these sentences. Something we use to travel by road. What do we use to travel by road? Motor car. In the blanks you will write OTRCR. It will become motor car. MOTORCAR. And children, make sure that you write all the capital letters. Don't write small letters here. You have to write capital letters. Second, tell the time. Which is that thing which tells the time? That is watch. 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 Number 3 is carry money. Which is that thing which carries money? That is a wallet. 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 Then number 4 is take pictures. Which is the thing which is used for taking pictures? That is the camera. 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 Number 5 is cut cloth or paper. Which is that thing which is used to cut cloth or paper? That is scissors. 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 Number 6 is add, subtract, divide and multiply. Which is that thing which is used to add, subtract, divide and multiply? That is the calculator. You can see the picture of calculator is also shown there in your books. Spellings are CALCULATOR. 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 Number 7 is secure doors. Secure doors means which is that thing which is used for securing the doors? Like when you go out somewhere from your home, what does your mother do? Your mother locks the door. So which is that thing which is helpful in keeping your house safe? That is lock. 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 Now let's move on to the spelling exercise. Question number C. Circle the correctly spelled word in each set. Now here 4 spellings are given, and out of these 4 spellings, 1 spelling is correct and we have to circle that correct spelling. The word is passers by. So the last one, PASSERSBY, is the correct one. So draw a circle around this one. Second is operation. In the second one, the word operation, the second option is correct. The second spellings are correct. Operation. Operation. Number 3, surprised. Again in number 3 the second option is correct. Surprised. Then number 4, receiver. In number 4 the third option is correct. Receiver. And the last one, number 5, arrives. The first option is correct. Arrives. Arrives. So children, this was all there regarding lesson number 1. Mr. Toad goes for a ride. Better complete your work in your copies and books on time, and most importantly, write in neat handwriting. And don't make any mistakes after writing the answers. Do check your answers once again from the videos that you have written correctly, and you have written the words, the spellings also correctly. So, thank you.